In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control mentions in YouTube. Mentions are those tags other creators or viewers can use to link directly to your channel in titles, descriptions, comments, and posts. They can be great for collaboration and discovery, but if you're getting spammed or simply want tighter control over how your channel is referenced, there's a simple setting you can change. Start by heading to youtube.com and make sure you're signed in to the correct channel. If you manage more than one, double-check the channel name in the top right so the change applies where you want it. Now, click your profile picture in the top right corner to open the account menu. This menu is your hub for all channel-level controls, and you'll use it often for settings and studio access. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens a dedicated panel where YouTube groups your account and channel preferences. We're focusing on privacy today, so look to the left-hand side and select Privacy. This area lets you manage how your activity and channel visibility are handled across YouTube, and it's where the mention control lives. On the Privacy page, find the option labeled Allow Users to Mention Me. This is a simple toggle that determines whether other users can tag your channel with the @ symbol. If you want to stop people from mentioning your channel, turn this off. When it's off, creators won't be able to link to your channel via @mention, and you won't receive notifications about being tagged. If you want to stay discoverable or collaborate more easily, leave it on. You can switch this at any time, so don't hesitate to adjust it based on what you're working on or how your community evolves. A couple of quick notes to set expectations. This change primarily affects future mentions and notifications. It's not a content moderation tool, but rather a control over the tagging feature itself. If you're dealing with harassment or spam beyond mentions, consider using comment moderation tools, blocking, or reporting, which are separate from this setting. Also, if you're watching from a phone or tablet, the layout might look a little different, but the same setting is available in YouTube settings on mobile as well. That's it. Click your account menu, open Settings, go to Privacy, and adjust. Allow users to mention me. Revisit this whenever your needs change. Many creators keep it on during collaborations and turn it off if they encounter unwanted tagging. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your channel mentions exactly where you want them.